Hi friends, this is Manish Khanna. Welcome back to my baking table. Of late, my children have been demanding a lot of these open sandwiches, which they just like to gobble up. So to make it more nutritious and more attractive for them, I have started doing the Harlequin bread, which is half black and half white. It looks visually stunning as well as very attractive to the children, and they love gobbling it up. So I'm going to be showing you the Harlequin bread today. Let's get started. सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे चैनल को और प्रेस कीजिए बेल आइकन ताकि हम लाते रहें आपके लिए सिंपल बेकिंग रेसिपीज।